Supper.
In another hour, I'll be king of the forest. Long live the king. If I were king of the forest, not queen, not duke, not prince, my regal robes of the forest would be satin, and not a cotton, and not chintz. I'd command each thing, be it fish or fowl, with a whoosh and a whoosh and a royal growl.
Hey, welcome back. So now is the time to exhibit your first ounce of courage and go out on a limb and make a decision all your own. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your Google page and you're going to click on the waffle. Then you're going to click on the slide icon. And then you're going to click on this Start the New Presentation box. When that opens up, I want you to give your presentation the title, Would You Rather? Remember that each word in the title is capitalized, and I want you to keep this tab opened. Now we are going to play a game, Would You Rather? Back to school silly question game. So I want you to, in your first slide, I want you to put number 1 where it says click to add title. So I guess it will be slide number 2. You're going to put number 1 and you're going to, come on, oh there it is. And you're going to ask yourself, would you rather A, explore space, or B, explore the ocean? So I want you to put number 1 in the little top box, and in the middle big box, I want you to type in A, explore space, or B, explore the ocean. Number 2. So this is slide 3 you'll be on. Would you rather A, stop time, or B, fly? Number 3. Would you rather A, watch no television for the rest of your life, or B, eat no junk food for the rest of your life? 4. Would you rather have an elephant trunk? Or B, would you rather have the neck of a giraffe? 5. Would you rather surf the internet or surf the ocean? 6. Would you rather be seen as popular or be seen as smart? 7. Would you rather have 500 spiders crawling in your house or have 100 snakes slithering in your bedroom? I'm not sure I like either of those choices. Next, would you rather spend an hour in science class or spend an hour in history class? Would you rather live in Disneyland or live in SeaWorld? Would you rather be a vampire or would you rather be a werewolf? Would you rather see the same movie over and over again or hear the same song over and over again? Would you rather have a magical power to save the world or be the strongest person in the world? Would you rather it rained every day or it snowed every day? Would you rather sing on stage with Justin Bieber or dance on stage with Ariana Grande? Would you rather grow all your own food or eat shrimp every day? I love shrimp, but I don't know that I would want to eat it every day. Would you rather travel 2,000 years into the past or 2,000 years into the future? Would you rather go to college or join the military? Would you rather live where aliens rule the world or live where insects rule the world? Would you rather travel around the world in a hot air balloon or travel around the world in a sailboat? Both of those would be kind of cool. Would you rather take a banana from an angry monkey or take an egg from an angry bird? I have a comment for each of these, but I don't want to influence your answers. Come on. Oh, maybe that's... Oh, there it is. Would you rather learn to write in cursive or learn to type? Would you rather be given $20 or earn $100 doing chores? Would you rather be covered in dog hair or be covered in lizard skin? Would you rather have a mean teacher but learn a ton of cool stuff or have a sweet teacher and not learn very much? Or have a teacher like me? Would you rather live where it is freezing cold or where it is blistering hot? Would you rather eat a gallon of ketchup or eat a gallon of mustard? Ugh. Would you rather spend 2 hours doing something easy or spend an hour doing something really tough? Would you rather get shot from a cannon or walk on a tightrope? Would you rather have 100 friends that are just okay or have one best friend? Would you rather work by yourself or work as a group? Would you rather have a dinosaur or be a dinosaur? Would you rather live on an island or live in a treehouse? Would you rather be a doctor and help sick people, or be a dentist and fix people's teeth? Would you rather kiss a frog or eat a bug? Would you rather spend your day learning mathematics or spend your day reading and writing? Would you rather cruise to Hawaii or backpack through Europe? Would you rather spend a day as a firefighter or spend a day as a police officer? Would you rather spend your life inside or spend your life outside? Would you rather be a great speaker or be a great writer? Would you rather have legs as long as your arms or arms as long as your legs? So now that this is over, I want you to, I guess I shouldn't say now that this is over. Now that you have completed your slideshow with answering the questions, I want you to share that with me. And how you share that with me is up in the upper right hand corner, there's a button that says share. I want you to click on that, and then it will open up a box where you will type in my email address. That is in your daily schedule. So you can copy and paste that in, or you can type it in. If you type it in, make sure you type it correctly. And then you click the share button down at the bottom. So make sure that you share that with me so that I can compile it, and then I will show you what the choices that everybody in our class, the distance learner as well as the face-to-face learners, decided that they would like to do. Have a great day. We'll talk to you in a few minutes.